If you want to turn off the microphone access of the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. For the first method, just go to Settings, then tap on Privacy and Security. Now from here, you will find the option of microphone. Just tap on it. Now if there is any app which has the access to the microphone, it will be shown right here. Now as you can see, the YouTube app has the access of their microphone. Now to turn off the access to the microphone for the YouTube app, just disable the toggle for the selected app from here. And after you do that, you will disable the microphone access for the selected app. Now the second method is if you want to turn off the microphone when you're calling someone. So for that, you can mute your microphone by tapping on the mute button or the microphone icon during a phone call. Now the third method is if you want to turn off the microphone for Siri. Now if the microphone for Siri is enabled on your iPhone, so when you say, "Hey Siri," as you can see, Siri responded. Now if you want to turn off the access to the microphone for Siri, just go to Settings, and in the main settings page, just tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. From here, just tap on Talk to Siri and select Off. Tap on Turn Off Siri, and once you do that, you will turn off the access to the microphone for Siri. Now, if you have done all that and if any step did not work because of a software glitch, you can fix it through force restarting your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off the microphone of the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.